Hi, are you looking for a property and too tired to do physical site visits? Well, you've arrived at the right destination. This is Property Cloud and this is a PropTech service. What exactly is a PropTech service? Well, this is the place where we help you do virtual site tours. Now, what are virtual site tours? I will take you to different projects and I will tell you everything about the project, starting right from the land parcel, talking to you about the towers, the carpet areas, and tell you all the details that I can that will help you buy your house. Now, what else can help you buy the house is also do the site visits of them on one single day after shortlisting the projects. What all do we do at Property Cloud over here is a lot. Now, let me tell you a couple of things, like we connect you directly with the developer, thereby giving you not only the bottom price guarantee but also zero brokerage because there are no middlemen. Along with that, we also give you spot payment options and also multiple booking offers right over here. Now, we don't have just properties that we're showcasing in Bengaluru, but we are present all across the globe, not just India, multiple cities in India, of course, and multiple locations outside also, like UAE, Singapore, and many more. And now I need to tell you a couple of more things about Property Cloud. Oh, but before that, why don't I tell you a little more about the project where I am right now? Let's go.
And here I am at Godrej Athena. Now this project is located in Indiranagar, that is the heart of Bengaluru, and from here HAL road is just about 10 minutes, the main road, and also multiple connectivity with multiple malls, schools and colleges. Well, this is about the project, but there's a lot more that I need to tell you. Stay with me. This is the grand entrance plaza, and here we enter into the 7-acre land parcel which will have 15 towers and a grand clubhouse. Now these 15 towers would have exclusive 3 and 4 BHK apartments which would be of ground plus 30 floors. And these over here you can see the amenities, the kids play area. There is a water body right over there near the entrance, and we move ahead to the grand clubhouse area which is going to be of 30,000 square feet, and right next to it is your temperature controlled pools. Calling it pools because there's a kids pool and there's a main swimming pool which is going to be an infinity one, and next to it is your open amphitheater as well. Now let's take a look at the other amenities also. This is the elevated gazebo area and also the walking track, and here we can see the tennis court and the senior citizens court as well. It's also a basketball court. Now when you can see this tower also tells us that the buildings are going to be of ground plus 3 floors of 3 and 4 BHK apartments. And now in this project, the 2 BHKs are going to be starting from 1300 square feet onwards, and the 3 BHK would be from 1800 to 2000 square feet. Now if you want to know how can you go ahead with the booking process or how can you come and see Godrej Athena live over here, then stay with me because I'm going to tell you how can we go ahead, and I have to tell you a lot more details. Stay tuned with me.
Now that you've seen the project and you know everything about the project and you also know everything about Property Cloud, that we connect you directly with the developer. We are a zero brokerage PropTech service, and also we help you do physical site visits without any hassle by offering you free pickup and drop service. Well, what is the next thing that you need to know? Of course, you need to know how to get in touch with us. Well, it's very simple. In the captions, we've mentioned a link. You need to just simply click on the link so that we can get in touch with you and help you buy your dream home in your favorite city all across the globe. अच्छा, along with that, मैं नहीं चाहती कि हमारे जो broker भाई हैं वो भी नाराज हों. So आपके लिए we have a special scheme which is called as Alliance. So if you are present in any city across India, pan India, and you want to sell homes, you can get in touch too with the same link. Just contact us and we're going to help you sell the homes, and also we have many other schemes for you as well. So PropTech is not just for clients, it's for everybody, and that's what Property Cloud does. we help you buy your dream home. Stay tuned with us and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.